Are Telegram downloads taking forever to finish? If photos, videos, or files are downloading slowly, there are a few settings you can adjust to help improve download speeds. Let me show you how. Open Telegram and tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, select Data and Storage. At the top, tap Storage Usage. Over time, Telegram stores temporary files that can take up space and affect performance. Tap Clear Entire Cache and confirm your choice. This won't delete your chats, but it can help Telegram run more smoothly. Now go back to the Data and Storage menu and tap Using Cellular. Make sure Auto Download Media is enabled. Then set the data usage option to high, so Telegram can download files more aggressively. Go back once more and tap Using Wi-Fi. Again, make sure Auto Download Media is turned on and set the usage option to high. This allows Telegram to use your connection more efficiently when downloading larger files. After making these changes, close and reopen Telegram, then try downloading a file again. In many cases, you'll notice faster and more reliable downloads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.